Hello all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator of an Audi A8 when we turn or press the ignition on, like this. Ignition on. Yes, it says service in 5500 or 299 days. I'm going to show you how you can reset that for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Use the comment area if you have any questions, any comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, the indicator reset is done by this area over here. We have to press the menu button. Once you press that, you'll get this menu and the turn wheel. Go through the menu and find car. Once you have found that, press the turn wheel. Once you are here, there are 4 sub menus on this car, and to enter these menus you have to use this button. So the left under button represents the car systems of this car. The right button represents the set individual, and so on. The right up and the left up. So the next thing you have to do is go to car systems by pressing this button once. Once you are here, turn the wheel to service and checking, press it, and you can do some stuff over here. Service intervals, press it, turn it, and as you can see, reset oil change interval. Press it, confirm with another press, and as you can see, the service indicator is now up to 365 days and 15,000 kilometers. That was it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and this video helped you, and hope to see you next time with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.